This is jalapeno cheese bread. 16 servings, 1 carb per serving. It's really easy to make. Took 17 minutes to bake. Let's make it. Jalapeno bread. It's delicious. 4 eggs into a bowl. 1/8 of a cup of full fat sour cream. And I'm just going to whisk this up. Okay, that's well blended. I've got 2/3 of a cup of sifted almond flour. I've got my grill set up at 350 degrees, or you can go in the oven. I've got 1/8 of a cup of oat fiber, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, that looks pretty good. This is a 1/2 cup of extra old shredded cheese. We're just going to fold that in. Okay, I'm going to cook in a Dutch oven. Ow. Okay, I'm going to cook in a Dutch oven, but you can do it in a 9x9 pan. I've put some butter in the bottom to make it nice and greasy. I'm going to pour this batter, you can see what it looks like, into the bottom. Make it all nice and flat. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some, I'm using pepper jack cheese today. And this is a 1/2 cup. I'm just going to sprinkle this on the top. Okay, and I'm going to put some pickled jalapenos on the top. So this is at 350 degrees. You can see from the down shot what that looks like. I'm going to put it in for, I'm going to say about 20 to 25 minutes and then check on it, make sure that the Dutch oven, it might cook a little differently than a regular cake pan. Well, this jalapeno cheese bread worked out nicely on the grill. There's 16 servings in this recipe and 1 carb per serving. So you can put me down for 4 servings. And it looks really good. I just kind of flipped it out of the Dutch oven, but you can see what it looks like. And it rose really nicely. I'm going to put some butter on that, have it with some keto chili tonight. Thanks for watching.